Hey friends, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm going to show you how to protect certain columns in Excel so people can still work in your spreadsheet, but they can't accidentally overwrite those important formulas you've worked so hard on. I personally love this trick because it's like putting a little safety net around your work. Trust me, if you've ever shared a sheet and had someone wipe out a formula, you'll thank yourself for learning this. In my example, I want to protect the year column and the variance column, because both contain formulas I don't want anyone to type over. You can follow along with your own file. Pause the video whenever you need to. Our first move is to select all the cells in the sheet. The fastest way? Click the little square at the very top left corner of the sheet, right between the row numbers and column letters. Or if you're a shortcut fan like me, you can press Ctrl+A to select all. Now, we need to open the Format Cells dialog box. If you love keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+1. That's Ctrl plus the number 1, nice and easy. If shortcuts aren't your thing, no problem. Just right-click anywhere in the selection and choose Format Cells from the menu. Here's where things get interesting. Click the Protection tab in the Format Cells box. You'll see that every single cell is already set to Locked. But here's the catch. Locking doesn't actually do anything until we protect the sheet later. So, to protect just the columns we want, we first have to unlock everything. Uncheck Locked, click OK, and now all cells are unlocked. Time to relock only the special columns. First, click the Year column header to select the whole column. Then, hold down Ctrl on your keyboard and click the Variance column header. Now both columns are selected. Once again, open the Format Cells box with Ctrl+1, go to the Protection tab, and tick Locked. Click OK. So far, we've only told Excel which cells should be locked. Now we have to actually turn on the lock. Go to the Review tab in the ribbon and click Protect Sheet. A box will pop up asking if you want to set a password. You can add one if you want an extra layer of security, but it's optional. If you do set one, make sure you remember it. There's no Forgot Password button here. Click OK and your protection is live. Let's try typing into one of the protected columns. Nope. Excel won't let us. But if we try typing into another column, it works perfectly. So now, only your chosen columns are protected, and everything else is still editable. And that's it. Your formulas are safe, your data entry areas are open, and you're in full control of your sheet. See? Excel isn't so scary when you know the right tricks. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips from me, Hannah, here at Sheet Leveler. See you in the next one.